Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So if you remember yesterday, I told you I bent these 60s right here, and I just stuck them up. And then I still got to go down that way with some more boxes, but I just continued to move on from here. So I got those up, and then also basically from this side onward with these 60s. So I got these pipes stubbed into the electrical room. There's two in this valley and one in that valley. So this is the home run pipe that goes into the electrical room, and then two more home run pipes going out this way if you can see them. One right there and one right there. And those are for the lighting and HVAC. So those go straight down here. And then they both turn to the right. The HVAC one is on the outside, and then the lighting is on the inside, or HVAC inside towards me, lighting outside towards me. So those are 2 feet away right there, or I think 25 inches. And then just did the box offsets, and then the oversized offsets into the valleys. Going back through the valleys nice and easy. And then another offset, and then I decided to make this one easy and just do a box offset instead of going into the valley and back out of the valley. And so I had to go under these two beams right here. And then this is where I ended the day right here. Another box for the HVAC, and then the lighting pipe turns. And so that's going onward to the other side, right there. I was gonna show you as I went along, but that didn't really work out. So I'll just show you here real quick. So we started this direction the way I was walking. So I was working on, where was it? This pipe right here, the 45 under the beam. So these are the columns right here, the iron columns. So did the box offset, or no, the 60 degrees under this one right here, the 60 there, and then the 60 over this beam right here. It's very thin, you can't really see it, but so that's that one. And then the home runs going into the electrical room right here. So there's that red one right there, an orange one, and then another red one, and then going out. And these are the HVAC units right here. So each one basically gets a box for each of the units. And so there's another beam right here which we went under, and then turned right here for both pipes. Orange is the lights, red is HVAC, and then there's that other beam that we just went up under right there, and this is where we ended with this box right here, and that lighting pipe going through the top of that beam right there. So that's what we were working on today. And so as you can see, I still have to do all this other stuff. This HVAC going down another box, around the corner another box, down another box, down another box, down another box, and then keep going onto the other print, which just has one more box. And so the lighting has to go where we're at, down to this box, through the ceiling or under the ceiling beam, down the hallway, take it right 90, down to this box, down to that box, and then down to the other print. So there's still some work to do, at least another day's work at least. So anyways, give you guys a little print work right there. So hopefully that's informational and helpful. And anyways guys, appreciate you guys watching. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I forgot my beanie today for the first time in like a year or two, I don't know. So I got this headband, so repping it, you know. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams like I did last night. Shout out to everyone who stopped by the live stream. I think there was 10 people there at one time, and shout out to all the people that were there. I'm not gonna remember everyone, but there was K-Rock, Thunderstruck, so many people I can't remember, but those are the ones I remember off the top of my head. And I appreciate you guys hanging out for like an hour and 10 minutes or whatnot. So if you guys want to hang out, make sure to hit the notification bell so you know when I'm live. Alright guys, peace out, God bless. Hopefully you enjoyed. Bye!